Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD changer, satellite radio, rear parking sensors, sunroof, power sunroof, leather seats, navigation system, automatic climate control, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.